Hey you, skinny kid sitting on the couch. That's right, I'm talking to you. Do you want girls to notice you? Do you want muscles like me? Well, look no further. Allow me to introduce you to Beast Mode. That's right, Beast Mode. The protein powder guaranteed to make you buff in under 2 months. That's right, 2 months. Now you're probably thinking, oh, it's some kind of steroid. Wrong. Beast Mode is filled with all sorts of natural supplements, not to mention over 15 grams of protein to help give you the body of your dreams. Call now, and we'll supply you with an extra free canister. But wait, there's more. If you come by this week to Josh's Emporium Fitness, we'll hook you up with the 24-hour fitness free week-long pass. That's right, to help you on your journey to becoming the Beast. So call now, 1-800-FITNESS-NOW. That's 1-800-FITNESS-NOW. Release the beast in you.